Here we have a 2010 Yamaha 242 Limited. Does have a wrap on it. It's black and white underneath. Docking lights. Swing tongue trailer. Spare tire. It is tandem axle. Does have a tower on it. Bimini top. Cockpit and bow cover. Does have the seats off the back. Twin 1.8 liters HOs. Hop up in here and go inside. Does have a walk-through, and you can put the cushion back after you walk through. Just took it out of storage, so it does need a little wipe down, but other than that, it's in excellent condition. 205 hours on it, so low hours for being a 2010. Lots of room in the bow. Nice comfy seating. It does have a ladder in the front and the back. Over here in this compartment, does have filler cushions and the table. And then over here you do have an enclosure for a porta potty. There we go. You could put it right down there if you want to have one. This seat also flips up here, so you can just grab this handle and have your co-captain. Pretty nice setup, rated for 10 people. Stereo, depth finder, tilt steering, bolster driver's seat. Come check it out at SkipperBud's.